this is one of the cutest pendant which I've made, and this is really simple and super fun. So this one is the pendant which I have selected. Now I'm going to put on the raisin. Now you know why we are putting the raisin in the first, so that it sticks and it holds your all the embellishments and whatever the stuff you are sticking on it really well. Now with my ice cream stick, I'm just going to spread it well, and whenever you're doing it, you need to make sure that all the corners and the edges get the complete raisin, so that your embellishments should stick really well, because they are going to be used as a rough and tough thing, as these are made for girls. So while working, I actually realized that my pendant hook where we put the chain is little thicker than the base, so I had to put something beneath that. So I'm putting two thick cardstock pieces beneath that, so that my base level comes to a straight line, and when I pour my raisin, it does not come out. I'm really sorry that I did not realize that my hairs are coming on the screen, and I was so engrossed in making this one, and especially when I was working with the raisin, I wanted to do it a little quick. Now here I am arranging all my cute shells, and these are the natural shells which my daughter had collected from our last trip from Goa, and I'm sure she's going to love this one. Now whenever you are working with the raisin mix, make sure you do it within an hour's time. Ideal time will be to finish it within 30 to 40 minutes, and that's a good enough time for you to do any of your project, and that's a really good time to experiment with your projects too. Now I am pouring some more raisin, and this time I'm going to be a little careful, because as these are the shells and they are coming a bit out from my pendant, so I don't want to overdo this, but I have already done that, and now I'm going to clear that with my napkin. So yes, whenever you are working with your raisins, the best thing would be that you wear your gloves, but as you can see, I'm not wearing my gloves at all, but you can do that. Now I just felt that something is missing again in this one, and I had to add glitters too. And like I said, this one is for my daughter, and she absolutely loves shells and glitters, so I thought of sprinkling some glitter on this. Now if you see, my metal charm has different color. My shells are in a tinge of pink shade, and the glitter what I'm using is blue. So all these are something which my daughter absolutely love, and you can play around with the glitters also. They work really well. So at the end, I'm also doing a teeny weeny project with the leftover raisins, so please stay tuned till the end of this video. So here I'm done with my glitter work, and this is how it looks, and it's so cute, it's so pretty, and I hope my daughter likes this.